Hello everyone, welcome back in ENV class. Now let's continue with this chapter. So, have you ever noticed that different birds have different types of beaks? So, given below are pictures of beaks of birds. So, look at them carefully and identify the birds and write their names. Okay. So, see the first picture. Which bird is this? Yes, it's parrot. Right. Second bird. Yes, it's crow. And third bird is, which bird is this? Yes, it's peacock. Right. Now next. Which bird is this? It's kite. Okay. And now see this bird. Which bird is this? Yes, it's crane. Right. Now here blank box is given to you. So in the blank space draw a picture of the beak of some other bird and color it and write its name. Okay. Now birds have different types of beaks. They also eat different types of food. Right. While some eat fruits, some eat seeds, some eat eggs, while others eat fish. Right. So a bird does not have teeth. Right. Everyone know. A bird uses its beak to pick up its food and eat. Right. Birds eat different kinds of food. Some eat fruits, grains and seeds. Right. Other birds eat flesh. The shape of a bird's beak is suited to the type of food it eats. Okay. Now next, match the birds with their food. So first one is vulture. So vulture eat dead animals, right? Now second one is kite. So kite eat rats. Okay. Now third one is, which bird is this? Yes, it's woodpecker. So woodpecker eat insects, right? Now this one is parrot. Parrot likes chili, right? Now this bird is pigeon. So pigeon eat grains. Okay. So you have to match in your textbook. Okay. Now next. Have you ever noticed that birds fly and walk in different ways? So birds has hollow bones. When a bird breathes in, the hollow space get filled with air, right? This air makes the body of the bird light and help it to fly easily, right? Birds have two legs to move around. Most birds have four toes on each foot, right? Bird use their feet and claws to move, right? And catch food, hold on to branches and fight their enemies. Okay. Now next, bird's neck movement also different. So the myna moves her neck back and forth with a jerk. See the picture? Okay. Now next, the owl can rotate its neck backwards to a great extent. See the picture? It's very interesting picture. See the rotation of the owl's neck. Very beautiful. Next, here some birds which can imitate our voice. Do you know the name of any such bird? Yes or no? Yes. Which bird? Yes, it's parrot. So you have to draw parrot picture in your notebook, color it and write its name. Okay. So you have to draw parrot in your notebook and write the name of the bird. Okay. Now next, observe the nature. So go outside and watch how birds walk and move their necks. Look at their feathers and listen to the sounds made by them. Copy the sounds made by any three birds. Okay, now copy their neck movements too. So ask your friends to guess which bird you copied. Okay, one type of game. Now next, the feathers of birds are different colors, shape and size. Right? Different birds have different types of feathers. Peacock having beautiful colorful feathers, like see the picture carefully. Next, their feathers help them to fly and keep them warm too. Right? From time to time, birds lose their old feathers and new ones grow in their place. Right? So you must have often seen feathers of birds lying around. Now you know feathers having three types: flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Right? So see the flight feathers. So these feathers are long and flat. These are found in the wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly. Now down feathers. These feathers are soft and fluffy. They keep the bird warm. Okay. And now body feathers. So these feathers cover the body of the bird. They give shape to bird's body. Okay. Now collect feathers which you find lying around. Study their shape, size, color and discuss about them. Make the picture of a bird in your notebook and paste the feathers on it. Okay, write its name. So here I will give you some pictures of birds. See this. You have to make in your notebook. Okay. Now next. Other than birds, which are the other animals that can fly? So you have to write down in your textbook. Okay. So I will write bat, 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 butterfly, dragonfly, honeybee, housefly and grasshopper. Okay. You have to write down in your textbook. Next. Think and write. So, first question is, if you could fly like a bird, where would you like to go? What else would you do? So, if I could fly like a bird, I would travel the whole world. I would complete with the birds in flying. I would travel in any direction without visa. Right? It's very interesting moment. Now next question is, what would happen if birds could not fly but only walk on their feet? So if birds could not fly, they would not be able to celebrate the joy of flight and would have to walk on the ground just like all other animals. There would be no difference between four-footed animals and birds. Correct? So birds would find it difficult to obtain their food. So pollination and dispersal of seed would not take place easily. Right? Now let's make a cock. First take a square piece of paper. Now fold it along the dotted lines as shown in the picture. Now fold the paper into half along the dotted line. Now fold the paper along the dotted line in the direction of the arrow. Now fold the paper to make the beak of the cock as shown in the picture. Now take a piece of red paper and cut it in the shape of a crest of a cock. Paste this on the head of the cock. Now cut a small round circle from a black, otherwise you use sketch pen, and paste it to make the eye of the peacock. Now the cock is ready. Thank you children. I will send PDF file of chapter 8. You have to write down in your science notebook.